Filament Tangle Troubleshooting Guide. Examine the spool of filament to find the location of the tangle. Pull the filament out of the slot to examine the tangle itself. Move the filament spool through the loop to unwind the tangle until it no longer loops back on itself. Follow the same process for the AMS Lite by removing the spool from its spool holder. External spools are also the same process. Loosen the filament to observe the tangle. Move the filament spool through the loop until the filament no longer loops on itself. Place the spool back on the external spool holder. If necessary, you can cut the filament below the tangle, resume the print, and then wait for the filament to run out before feeding the now untangled filament spool into the inlet and resuming the print. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.